In this video about working of a computer, or we can say that how does a computer work. So let's start. Working of a computer cannot work on its own. We need to enter letters, numbers and instructions into a computer to make it work. These are called data. A computer works in three basic steps: input, process, output. Let's take the help of some examples to understand this process. First, look at these pictures. They also show the steps of input, process and output. Input: putting the dirty clothes into the washing machine. Then, process: the washing machine washes out the dirty clothes. Then, output: we get washed clean clothes from the washing machine. Another example is to cook the food. We take raw vegetables as input. Now cooking the food is processing and cooked food is the output. Now take this example and see how a computer works. Input: we keep the fruits in a juicer. Fruit is the input we give to the juicer. Then process: the juicer will squeeze the fruits. We can say that squeezing is the process. Then output: the result is the glass of juice. This is the output we get from this process. Hence, the function of the juicer can be given as follows: input is fruits, process is squeezing, output is a glass of juice. As you have seen, a machine performs its functions in three steps. These are input, process and output. Most of the activities are performed by the principle of input, process, output. It is also called an IPO cycle. Now, let's understand what is the input. The data and instructions that we enter into a computer are called input. Input can be given to a computer through keyboard and mouse. Next is process. The CPU is the brain of the computer. The work done by a CPU on the given information to give the result is called process. Then output. Output means the final result. When a CPU finishes processing the data, the output is displayed on the monitor. Monitor and printer are the most common output devices. Let us understand the working of a computer with an example. The data and instructions together are the input. Here 3 and 6 is the data and plus is the instructions. Input 3 and 6 plus. Now the CPU will work on the data according to the instructions, that is, it will add the numbers 3 and 6. Process 3 plus 6. 9 is the correct result or output of the sum, that is 3 plus 6 equal to 9. Output is 9. Now it's a fact. Input is provided to the computer in the form of data and instructions. It is processed by the CPU and the final result is displayed as the output. And after that, storage. Storage devices help us to store work done on a computer. Some storage devices store data inside the computer and some store outside the computer. The hard disk stores all the work done by a computer. Now, let's summarize. First is, a computer works in three basic steps: input, process, output. That is called IPO cycle. Next is, input can be given to a computer through keyboard and mouse. Next is, processing is the work done by a computer inside a CPU. Next is, monitor and printer are the most common output devices. Last one is, the hard disk stores all the work done by a computer. In this video, you have understood the working of a computer with lots of examples. If you like this video, then please like. If you have any queries in this video, then can comment in comment section and share this video as much as possible so that this information can reach to other people. If you are new on this channel, so please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Thank you for watching.